In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connections in Figma. We'll start right in the browser. Open your preferred search engine, type Figma, and head to the official site. If you're not already signed in, do that now. Then open Figma in the browser or desktop app. Either works the same for this walkthrough. From your workspace, create a new blank design file so we have a clean canvas to work on. On the empty canvas, add 3 simple shapes to represent the items you want to connect. Rectangles will do perfectly. You can use the shape tools in the top toolbar, then click and drag to draw each shape. Keep them spaced out so the connections are easy to see. If you prefer, rename each layer in the left panel to keep things organized as you go. Next, select all 3 shapes together. You can hold Shift and click each one, or drag a selection box around them. With all 3 highlighted, we're going to prepare them so they're easier to manage as a group. Look over to the right-hand side in the Design panel and open the 3-dot menu. This is where you'll find some powerful component actions. Choose Create Component Set. This combines your selected shapes into a single, organized set. In Figma, a component set is helpful for keeping related items together, especially when you plan to wire up interactions between variants or states. You'll notice your shapes now live inside a structured component, which makes the next part more predictable. Now switch from Design to Prototype in the right sidebar. This is where connections and interactions are configured. If you don't see prototyping options, make sure one of your shapes or the new component set is selected. Click the first rectangle to select it. You should see a small circular plus icon, often called the blue node, appear on its edge. This is your starting point for creating a connection. Click and drag that plus icon toward the second rectangle until it snaps to it. When you release, Figma creates a connection line between the two. That line indicates an interaction path, exactly what we need to simulate user flow from one item to the next. If the plus icon doesn't appear, double-check that you're on the Prototype tab and that the shape itself, not just the frame, is selected. Zooming in a bit can also make grabbing the node easier. For clarity, consider keeping your shapes aligned and evenly spaced so the connectors are straight and easy to read. And that's it. You've added a connection in Figma by creating a component set, switching to Prototype, selecting your first shape, and dragging the node to the next shape.